Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. These are the notes of Islamiat, class 9th, Federal Board and Punjab Board for English medium students. The topic is the generosity of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. This is the topic of today. Generosity of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. First of all, we have MCQ question. So first 5 questions they have been taken from the exercise, and the next questions they have been taken from the lesson just for the practice, because in the recent exam the examiner asked the question from the exercise as well as from the lesson, so better you should also prepare from the lesson as a practice. So these are sample questions have been given over there. It is not necessary that the examiner will take the question from over there. He may take the question from anywhere in the lesson. So these are sample questions. You have to prepare other additional MCQs in the same way as they have been given over there. So these are the additional MCQs. So you have to read it 2 or 3 times, try to understand it, and in the same way you are supposed to prepare the other question from the lesson. The easiest way, whenever you just read the lesson carefully, so keep highlighting the important MCQ and the short question, because the examiner not only take the question from exercise, even he take the question from the lesson as well. After that we have short question. First short question they have been taken from the exercise directly. Question number 1, question number 2, and question number 3. This is the question number 4. For things they are generosity and the selflessness of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. And the question number 5. These 5 questions have been taken from the exercise of the lesson, the generosity of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. After that there are some maybe 6-7 questions. They are general question have been taken from the lesson. And in the same way the examiner may take the question from anywhere in the lesson. It is not necessary that the examiner would get the question from exercise only. He will also ask some question from the lesson as well. We have seen in the recent paper of 2026, it was the first paper of Islamiat, and we have seen the 2 paper morning and evening shift. The same thing had been done by the examiner, taking some question from exercise and some from the lesson. So you have to prepare both. These are just for as a sample question for the preparation only. In the same pattern you should prepare the question from other lessons. The best way is that while reading you have to just mark or highlight the short questions. They are expected for the exam. It is the best way. Now we have the long question. Each question contains 10 marks. The first question, introduction, generosity of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and what is the generosity of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. And after that the second handing about the generosity during the Ramadan. That was the special. The Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, he was more generous during the Ramadan. And then selflessness of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, the incident of Hazrat radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu, we can just give the reference of it. Services for the humanity of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and after that the conclusion. Second question also important, that is write a detailed note on the generosity of the sacrifice of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So generosity of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam and Ahlul Bayt, companions and of other people. So some incident of the companion have been mentioned over there, and Ahlul Bayt as a reference. Just we can give the reference of that as well. So we have to read 2 or 3 times the question and try to understand, then write in our own words. And what lesson we get from their lives, we have to mention over there as well. The same thing we should discuss. And the last question we have, it is a practical question. Apparently it is not in the lesson, but we have to write this question in the light of the lesson in our own words, how we can and where we can apply all these things about the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. First introduction, then external generosity and selflessness, ASR, sacrifice and ASR we have to do with others, internal generosity and selflessness, and where we can apply it in other way. And after that, acting upon these qualities in our daily life or practical life, how can we just practice these all things in our day-to-day life. After that, the conclusion, we have to just conclude it whatever we have studied, and that we must be generous with our friends, in our society, with our colleagues and everywhere. So these are the just notes of Islamiat, the lesson generosity of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. The best way to prepare it, just to give 2 or 3 readings and read it carefully each and everything, then try to write in your own words. These questions may not be learned by heart, only try your level best to understand them and then reproduce in your own word. That is the best way to just write on them. And after that, the other lessons will also be prepared and inshallah uploaded very soon. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.